Well, hello there. Welcome to Reanimated. We have another special movie night tonight. As you can see, we're a little short-handed. It's just me. Little backstory. I'm the only one who want to watch the shit. All right, I'm gonna just come out there and say I'm the only one who want to watch the shit. Again, excuse me. Let me preface that with that. So, for those who don't know, I do read the manga for Demon Slayer, or have read the manga, excuse me, since it's done. We also saw the movie as well when it came out. So we saw it Sunday that just passed. But we obviously, Sony had that little fumble that happened, and basically, long story short, we got a copy. We got ourselves a clean copy. So with that being said, it was so good I wanted to watch it again. Now, before we go into it, some people probably think, oh, well, why would you watch it twice? Why would you do a reaction if you already seen it? Well, for one, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna be good for the channel. It's gonna be good to just bring traffic through. So there is that for one. So I'm just gonna be completely transparent with that. But two, it's just that good. It's that good that I wanted to watch it again, and I wanted to share that experience with y'all. And plus, y'all didn't get to hear my thoughts on the shit. You know what I'm saying? We never did a review on it. We never did anything aside from just posting on Twitter saying that, yeah, we saw it. Yeah, it was super fucking dope, and that's that. So to preface the reaction, I will say this. Out of all the anime movies I've seen, action-wise, excuse me, this is probably one of the best, if not the best, as far as the visuals, as far as the choreography. Ufotable did the damn thing, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like this arc of Demon Slayer is the best arc that you could have used for a movie. You know what I'm saying? Just for everything taken into account, from the duration of the arc, from the emotional value that is instilled in this arc in and of itself. You see the character development. You see a lot of backstory to Rengoku in and of himself as a Hashira. So yes, I know what happens. So y'all aren't, if you're seeing this for first, I'm not gonna say anything as far as what happens in the movie or anything like that. But again, I have read the manga, so obviously I'm gonna know what happens, because this movie is canonical as far as the direction that it follows. So it takes it directly from the manga as well. So yeah, without any further ado, that's my long-winded spiel. Your boy got some bamboo here. You know what I'm saying? We got some Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. And I got the best sweet tea out there, Gold Peak. So we're going to have a nice little lituation here. So make yourselves comfortable, get you something to eat, and enjoy this movie with your boy. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be dope. We're going to have to get right into it. So make sure you buckle your seatbelts. Let's do it. Where is that movie file? Here it is. Boop. There we go. I need to flex. I want to flex. Ooh, y'all get some ASMR tonight, boy. Look at that. See, look at this shit, bro. Look at the fucking trees. Like, the trees by themselves make this one of the best movies. Look at the graveyard, bro. You can't find this nowhere else. My man's got cancer. My boy really is part grapefruit. Like, that shit is wild. His face literally looks like a grapefruit. Yeah, you is in charge of the Demon Corp, so finding them trenches, boy, getting out the mud. Talk your shit, bro. Anipalex, Shueisha, and Ufotable present. Hey, first of all, fuck Shueisha. I just want to be very clear about that. To this day, I still got beef with them. And this still bothers me. I know it's proper English and Ufotable production, but that shit still bothers me. Like, Tutu, all aboard. Let's have our swords on our back. We don't want them to know we got it on us. You gonna headbutt the train again? Don't leave me. These guys. I'm not gonna lie, that's probably one of my favorite like anime trios. Just because their dynamics are just so fucking different, bro. Hey, coronavirus, bro, 6 feet. Look at Tanjiro, so inspirational. My boy is wholesome. He's just so like amazed by everything, bro. That's how you know he's been living in the sticks his whole life. And here we go. Ufotable gonna let niggas know they made this movie. They done put their tag in there like 6 times already. And we're only 5 minutes in. This man out here disturbing the peace, bro. My. This nigga looks like a phoenix, bro. Legit. You can't tell me he don't look like a phoenix, bro. My. Did you just introduce yourself like you ain't just headbutt one of his fellow Hashira? Nezuko-kun. Don't get twisted, bro. I'll beat the ass one of these days. Yo, sit your stupid ass down, bro. Them one of the strongest shit. Nigga, I'm here because you here. We here for the same reason. You thought we were just passing through? This is the most one-sided conversation. Glad to hear it. I don't give a shit. You're in luck, kid. I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Nani? Thanks, Chicken Hawk. What the hell are you looking at, bro? You have looked at me this whole conversation. I did like this bit, how they give the backstory to the Hashira, and he said, "You're fucked." Well, I picked the water breath, so. Actually, no, that does make sense because Tanjiro has the water breath, and he also has the Hinokami. Get your goofy. All right, so y'all saw that angle that was shot at, like the CGI, I believe alone was fucking insane. Look at that shit, bro. They flexing on the grass blowing in the wind from the train. Come on, man. Yo, I love his voice actor. Him and Inosuke. Between those two, I don't know who's better. We're fucked! This guy doesn't look suspicious. Plot twist. Pause. Don't touch my ticket, bro. Just take the shit, man. Take it. Pause. Ah! Who touched me? Yo, this nigga Rengoku just got mad serious, bro. I didn't even peep that the first time. Like his whole facial expression just changed. That cape is so fire, bro. Please overlook the fact that I have a very sharp object in my hand that can literally decapitate anybody on this train. Oh! This is one of the uglier demons in Demon Slayer. Bro, this OST is crazy. Ooh, he said, "Fuck that, square up, nigga." Yo, this OST, bro, is crazy. Nah, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. I still get goosebumps seeing this shit, bro. Holy shit. Don't be by. Yo, I feel like he got PTSD now because last time he got left behind, he got fucked up by them spiders. Taking over from the 99 to the 2000. Go ahead and twerk some. Why is it twerking in the middle of the train? So man, fuck that. Sit your ass down. Look at that, bro. From a cinematic perspective, that shit was just fucking crazy, bro. They went from the outside of the train to the inside. Just zoomed in on that shit. And I guarantee you that demon would have taken Tanjiro and company probably a good episode to defeat. Now he want to be his apprentice. Yo, why did they give Zenitsu? I forgot about this stupid shit. Oh man's laughing like All Might and shit. You remember in school when the fucking lights would go out, somebody would be like, "Yo, who touched me? Don't touch me there, please, senpai." Yo, Tanjiro, come on, bro. Personal space, 6 feet. Please, give me a dream, senpai. I do feel for homie though. Like, Demon literally was playing on his emotions. Was basically like, all right, well, if you do this for me, you know, I'll let you see your dead wife and yo, this fucking Daydar wannabe ass hand. Sleep. I want you to kill these niggas. Thanks, hand senpai. What's going on in that big cranium of yours, Tanjiro? See, we have some snow. We're walking in the snow now. And just listen to the crunch and the details of the snow. Like, this is truly some really pristine, crisp snow. They really did a good job with just everything. From the sound, what was it? Sound design, I believe, is what they call it, to the animation, everything, bro. It's just phenomenal. I was just on a train. Who's there? Me, son. He's just standing there with a sword in his hand, like it ain't what it looks like. All right. This is something I really did fuck with watching it. Boom. That transition was dope. He went from current Tanjiro to past Tanjiro. His voice acted good, boy. His voice acted good as shit. This motherfucker want to be Saw so bad, bro. You want to play a game? You not Jigsaw, bro. Ugh. I don't know how to solve this in Boy Scout school. Not school, but Boy Scouts. Why I got the man board bear pig? Oh, Kid Levi is so cute. My man's going through it in his dream. Yo, that tear in the corner of his left eye was fighting on, hanging on for dear life, bro. That shit said, I ain't moving. Yo, his brother looked just like him, bro. That's crazy. Literally just like him. Minus the weird foreheads. And this is Nezuko, but older. Spitting image of a mother. Hey, get this ghost back off me, man. This ain't Scooby-Doo. Okay. My man thought it was all a dream. Oh, quite the contraire, my friend. Fuck. The lower one. That shit is wild that literally all the lower moons got a fucking body. Damn, the peach is thick. My bad. Excuse my ignorance, but what is a chaplet? It's so weird hearing her talking, bro. Like, because we're just not used to hearing her speak. Yatta! Oh. No mind. That's fine. Ain't no problem. That shit was so cold, bro. They ain't have to flex on that. Like, there was no reason for that. Goofy ass boy. Yo, this shit is so goofy, bro. They got my mans wearing some fucking crop top kimonos. Yo, this nigga stay offering her acorns, bro. Scooby-Doo ass boy. Oh, it is real. And yeah, so I ate the pickles out the jar, and that's how I became a Hashira. Son, that's the stupidest thing I've ever fucking. Damn, Dad, that's crazy, bro. I would want all the smoke with this demon, because you're supposed to put me in a good dream, and you put me in a fucking nightmare. You literally made me relive reporting to my father that I was a Hashira, and he didn't give a fuck. His little brother's so cute. Little mini version of him. I'm gonna be real with you. He ain't gonna fuck with you, bro. Damn. Transparency is key, my friend. You really mean that, brother? Listen, y'all, Rengoku's best boy. I used to give it to Inosuke, but Rengoku's best boy, bro. They're hands down. My man's really is OP though. Like, this power is fucking insane. This is so wild, bro. And the fact they know to do this, like, it means they've done this shit before. At least I'm pretty sure they have. Well, no, because he wouldn't be explaining to them if they didn't know. I'll just chalk it up to writing. This shit kind of jiggly. Shit finna make me act up. Yo. Selfish motherfucker. Oh shit. So this is what I was wondering about, because I thought they might have done this before, but she said what an odd realm of the subconscious, as if she knows what a normal realm of the subconscious looks like. So that's why I was wondering, okay, have they done this before? You know what I'm saying? Oh, it is you. The spiritual core. I've never seen a red one before, so yeah, she's done it before, because she said I've never seen a red one flashback. Bitch, what you trying to do to me? This shit was cold, bro. He literally yoked the ass up like, what the fuck you trying to do? Damn. Line the regular Ningen, shorty. Tanjiro was like, hey, where'd my headrest go, man? Thanks, mom. We about to grill in the snow. I ain't never seen somebody grill in the winter, so I'll be in charge of eating them. My man's like, I wish I had a family. You could do it, put your back into it. Nezuko-kun? Wait a second. This a pile of sticks. This ain't Nezuko. Shrimp to pick vegetables in broad daylight. See, his mind keeps on like flip-flopping back and forth. You ever heard somebody pronounce every synonym in the word vegetable? One dude was talking to me. He was like, yeah, bro, I'm having dinner and, you know, they made vegetables. I was like, what did you just say to me? Vegetables? That's filthy. Hey, nigga, this water poisonous. He yoked his ass up. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Tatake. Tatake. Okay, Tanjiro did it better than Aaron. I ain't gonna cap. Square up. Yo, Nezuko just cooped up. She's like, oh, domestic violence. Okay, I'm on my business. Zenitsu sleep as usual. Oh, Tanjiro, you got a fever? Give me a pet. No? Still not up? Alright, fine. We'll take this. Oh shit, what's going on with me, man? Oh fuck, I'm flaming, bitch. Oh! Alright, this transition was fire, bro. He had the flame tornado come up, but he turned into his regular form. That shit is fire, bro. They're making it tough for him to lead, too. Sheesh. Nezuko? Nani? It really is you. I picked a lot of vegetables. And they about the whole family with him. Big bro was on fire. And I ain't talking about 2K. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's a dream. I gotta go. I have to. Because I'm a demon slayer, mom. She said, why are you dressed like that? The only thing that changed was this nigga's undergarment. Like, this is a hard ass dream to walk away from, because literally, like, your whole family's here, you're happy, but knowing the fact that it's fake and disingenuous is probably even worse. That line was kind of heavy. He said, I've lost him now. I'm sorry, yo, that shit. Anytime somebody falls, bro, it just gets me every time. You was just at the edge of the dream the whole time? Or did they just time skip you there? This shit is beautiful, bro. Tanjiro is so fucking wholesome, bro. That's what I'm talking about, man. He can do no wrong, yo. And then we went to a cave. She probably got the worst out of everybody. You mean me? Why is she running on all fours? That shit is so wild, bro. You fool. Merely adopt the darkness. I was born in it. Yo. Oh my wa. Motion. Yo, Zenitsu low-key is like OP in his sleep, so he fucked up putting Zenitsu to sleep. It really went crazy with this OST, bro. I'm gonna need this yesterday. Father, why are you floating? That was snow the whole time? I must cut. I must commit seppuku. Oh, my neck's still intact. Oh, thank God. So how is Breast on his dream if the rope that connected him to the dream got severed? She said, don't headbutt me, please. Yo, he been choking her out for like 5 minutes, bro. How is she still alive? This ticket sus. This shit stink. Yeah, what happened to Tanjiro's hands? Like, hi. Best girl. You picked the wrong person to try to wake up, bro. Out of all the people that's gonna wake up, it's not gonna be him. Only one way to find out. Oh shit! You bitch! I don't give a fuck. Shorty over there look like she dreaming. She got her eyes closed already. Kid Levi's still slumped. That's fucked up. My man's woke up crying. Yo. Who's next? Go, 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 go. Who's next? You. Yay. Aw. This girl's so cute. She's so small. Pause. Tanjiro really is a beautiful soul, yo. We want you to feel the warmth from it. Yeah, we brought you here because we want to die, so go ahead and just kill it. He's like, I'll knock myself out, don't worry about it. He's like, this shit stinks. Huh, there we go. Yo, she's so small. So small and cute. Yeah, I'm up, nigga. What's up? Oh! He wants to be dead to her so bad. Alright, now you gotta die, bro. You talking all that shit. Don't you mention his name! Woo! This nigga is sick. Sick bitch. Cause I'm a real nigga. Yeah, Tanjiro, talk that shit. Let him know what's up. Yo, he's like unaffected. Oh, I've heard about you. Muzan got a hit on you. Michael Jackson gonna moonwalk on your ass. This is like a dream. Tanjiro hit him with the Uno reverse card. Ooh, here we go, baby. Yo, the demon art, the baby smile. Fuck that. Almost fell, nigga. I'm back though. What's up? I'm back. Stop playing with me. Cause I don't get tired. That boy Tanjiro is clean with it, bro. Can you imagine how much conviction you have to do that shit, bro? Like you have to kill yourself and feel that shit momentarily, knowing or hoping it's a dream. Yo, I forgot he shot him with that cup, bro. This shit is so dark, bro. Fuck, man. Now I'm mad. Sheesh. Bro, when the dragon came out, I said, give me that, nigga. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. I love it. I'm glad you know it was too easy. Not quite. Oh! What in the herpes is going on? He said, look, you not dead. The villain always gonna tell you why they did some shit. He'll be like, oh, you wanna know you couldn't kill me? I'll tell you. Just so you can kill me. You what? How is that possible? Fuck. In other words, you're fucked. You sick bastard. That's what I'll be thinking too, bro. I'll be like, stab the train, fuck it. I'll just start stabbing this shit. Cause I wouldn't know what to do, bro. It's like, okay, you're the train, so if I stab the train, you should get hurt. Explosive awakening. Coming through. Go ahead, Inosuke, act up. Sheesh. Okay. Oh, what the hell? The herpes, it's spreading. And this, Thomas the Train, is why you don't stick your hitch in random trains. Because things like this happen. He said, fuck that, I'm coming in. Pause. Don't you touch them ningans. Yo, this motherfucker. Pause, yo. Yo, pause! Scurrying around inside me. Yo, you got your out your goddamn mind, bro. A leisurely feast. Oh shit, Nezuko ain't playing no more. She said, time to act up. Fuck that. Get that shit out of here. Woo! Nezuko not playing. Bro, Nezuko is nasty with it, bro. Look at that. She said, you still breathing? How many times I gotta teach you this lesson? What in the cynical hentai going on here? Yo, they got veins too? That is trifling, bro. Oh, this shit crazy, bro. This is one of my favorite parts of the movie, bro. This shit right here. This nigga literally... You saw the lightning going through every cart, bro. That shit was fucking crazy. This man is crazy with it, bro. Zenitsu could be so badass, bro, if he just stayed asleep, like legit. Yeah, she was just like, bro, you good? Slice and dice. Here comes the best boy. My man started floating. That's fucking wild. He's is this heartburn? Yo. Yes, chef. That's wild. My man said, I'm gonna take 5 cards. Don't even trip. Why he fall through the door like that? Dude. All right, one more time. I can do this flip. Oh, there we go. I didn't even peep that first time I was watching this shit either. Nice. Yo. Very fishy. Gross. The nigga said, uh-oh. Oh, I forgot this nigga did that wild shit. This is the nape of the Titan. Okay, Inosuke. It's like that training arc paid off for your boy. This is the nape. Waterfall basin. This shit is so wild, bro. He's, I don't know what the fuck you said, but okay. So Super ain't gonna let you get the chance. Yay! God damn it! Stupid ain't gonna let you get the chance. Fuck! That's so wild. I gotta wake up with my eyes shut. Like, that's a wild ass concept, bro. Oh, hold up, big fella. Don't catch yourself. Inosuke to the rescue. You lose your eyeballs. You really showed him, Inosuke. Damn, that's a roast of the century. He knocked him the fuck. He said, nigga, sit your ass down. Shit, look at this movement, bro. This shit is fire. Inosuke's a good friend, man, regardless of what people say or may think. Woo! Cut that bitch down the middle, boy. Oh my god! I didn't notice how crazy it was going in the theaters just until I seen this shit just now. Slice and dice. Okay, Inosuke. Okay, I remember this part. Yeah. Ooh, let's go, nigga! Stop playing with him. That shit crazy, bruh. Hey, yo. Rengoku ain't having that. Bro, that blood looks crazy. Oh! I can't grab him. That's so wild. Tanjiro is so thoughtful of other people. He's like, if I die, that makes him a murderer, so I can't die. That's fucking crazy, bro. My man's on roll 50 yards just now. For those who don't math, well, that's 150. My man was just in a bounce house just now. Santoro. Santana. I didn't even catch a cold. He's a fucking Neanderthal, bro. Oh my god. He died. Just leave him there and he'll die. Fine. But only because I want to. Yo, Inosuke's ideas of like torture or just dudes is so fucking wild. Yes. And yes. And yes. You had your chance to. That's a fire ass image, I ain't gonna lie. I just got the perfect thumbnail idea. This shit about to be fire. Am I going to lose? You've already lost, bro. And you're already dying. This nigga got reduced to eyeballs, bro. Epic foreshadowing. Peace out. Focus, nigga. Stop that blood. You a crip. Ain't no bleeding out here. There you go. Oh, I found it. Nice. What was that? Aw, shit. Here we fucking go. Upper 3. Hey, listen, if you seen this shit for the first time, I know you fucking losing your mind right now. You like, yo, what the fuck is going on? I know you losing your mind, bro. This shit is crazy. That man too quick. You strong ass nigga? Ugh. He said, I met you for the first time, I already hate your ass. Cause you were filthy Ningen. That's wild. Ningen or Akuma? Like, look at the fucking animation detail they put in this shit, bro. Oh my god. And just the angles they're shooting this shit at or animating it at. This music is going crazy, bro. It's like the Dragon Ball Z fights when you sitting there trying to keep up among all the Hashira he's killed. That's wild. Sheesh. Nice. That's fucking wild, bro. My man's literally punching the blade side of the sword, like. Oh, my chest. So, do they have to announce every time they use it? Say, hey, you're pretty good. Sheesh. My man's going crazy, bro. Nigga says he said, oh. My man just getting sliced and diced and it's just unfazed. Oh, goggle eyes. I hated Inosuke, bro. I don't like your ass. You stink. Blazing Universe. That's a wild ass name. I'm glad they add moments like this into the movies where the side characters or the weaker characters is basically commentating on how they would get in the way. But that shit is fire. I don't give a fuck. Tough. Tough, bro. My ribs. Fuck. Damn. I know that shit hurt. He went right into a whole nother form. That's crazy. Oh yeah. This shit went fucking crazy, bro. Oh my god, bro. This shit is so fucking fire. Look at this shit. You affordable to not have to do this shit. They went crazy, bro. Don't be naive, Inosuke. This nigga just regenerating, bro. Like nothing happened. That shit is so sick. This shit is unfair as fuck, bro. Me? Die? I got plenty more on the tank, playboy.
Rengoku-san. Rengoku-san.
That is so fucking OP, bro. Just set this one out, Tanjiro. Woo! My man's is on fire. That boy is on fire. He said, I'm back, playboy. Stop fucking with me. That's esoteric art, bro. Bro. Set your heart ablaze. Let's go, boys. Stop playing. Ninth form. Rengoku. This nigga got his own form there, bro. Stop playing with him, bro. Oh my god, bro. This shit is so fucking fire. This nigga turned to a dragon, bro. Stop playing. Woo! Shit is so crazy, bro. Seeing this shit again doesn't fucking matter, bro. Like, this shit is fire. Slash you up. Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. This nigga turned him into a flaming tornado, bro. Stop playing with Rengoku, bro. Alright, maybe y'all can't fuck with me, but I... God damn it. Some bullshit, bro. Okay, cause I'm a phoenix. The mom. Yo, his mom was a baddie though. Like, don't get it twisted. She was bad. She low-key lost moves on. I ain't gonna lie. Come, my son. Give me a hug. All right, mom. Here I come. He got the glisten in his eyes, bro. Back to the shits. Let's go. He said, "Fuck that." No. That's a beautiful ass sunrise. You know, squeeze down on your arm. That's like, never mind. I ain't gonna say, nah. I was wondering where he was running to. I was like, bro, the fight's the other way. Oh shit. Oh my god. Woo! I don't know why I'm moving, but fuck it. That shit's wild.
早く陽光の影になるところへ
Yay! Stop playing with him.
早く太陽から距離を
My man still got one sword just to get pierced by another. What the fuck did you call me?
何を言ってるんだあのガキは
He said, I'll beat the fuck out you, little kid.
それにもう勝負はついてるだろうがあいつは間もなく地球の中で戦っているんだ生身の人間から傷だって簡単には塞がらない失った手やばな
You got a point.
お前なんかより煉獄さんの方がずっとすごいんだ強い
They might get me with this one, bro. I'm by myself, bro. Yo, Inosuke is just standing there like, bruh.
腹の傷が開く。君も軽傷じゃないんだ。かまど少年が死んでしまったら、俺の負けになってしまうぞ。
This shit don't get no easier, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you, man. Low key, this shit is even tougher, bro. Watching this shit by myself, it's like, damn, like the emotion is just like all hitting, and I'm a little bit lit too, so that's not helping. Damn, the only thing plugging up the fucking bleeding was his arm. It's gone now. Fuck.
ください傷を塞ぐ方法はないですか
Fuck, bro.
かまど少年。メル。
He accepts her, bro. Oh my god.
記者の中であの少女が治安と言おうと鬼殺隊の一員だ。胸を張って生きろ。
Damn.
心を燃やせ。
Oh, he sees him in his reflection of his eyes, bro. Fuck.
の流れは止まってくれない。共に寄り添って悲しんではくれない。井の頭少年。
Young boy head.
黄色い少年。
Yellow boy.
もっともっと。
Damn, bro. Man, his vision going out. Akaza.
やれただろうか。やるべきこと、果たすべきことを。
できましたよ。
Damn, bro. That shit is tough, bro. Ah, fuck. That shit sad. Whew.
煉獄さんがいっぱい技を出しててさ車両の被害を
I knew that she was gonna get my ass the second time, bro. God damn.
鬼が来たのかなんで来んだよ上限なんかそんな強いのまたすぐ目の前に分厚い壁があるんだ
Them DemonSlayer tears is different, bro. Them shits is thick.
強い人はいるのかな
Bro, you got it, man. Don't even trip, bro. Damn, Inosuke. Put your crying too. I forgot about that shit. Oh, poor Inosuke, man. That should definitely get the emotions going, yo. Like, I thought I was gonna be fine the second time. I was like, you know, I read the manga, I've seen the movie once. See, look, even the crow crying, bro. That shit is sad, dog. Crow's like, bro, fuck, man. He truly was the best boy. Damn, she's sad. Yo, her crow got a headdress on. And this one is all flamboyant, of course. Orochimaru ain't having it. Is that like a Buddhist prayer? Giyu, don't listen. Alright, y'all gotta piss. I can't hold it no more. I'll be right back.
200人の乗客
I have
は
returned.
寂しくはないよ。私ももう長くは生きられない。
My stupid ass gonna hold it for 30 more seconds. All right, y'all. So that was the Demon Slayer Mugen train reaction slash review that I'm gonna be giving momentarily. I'm gonna play the ending for those of you who have not seen it. I'm gonna play the ending as soon as I'm done getting my review and just opinion on the movie and everything like that. Because it really is special. I really enjoyed it and I was moved by it as well. And I think you will be too. But so if you don't give a shit about what I gotta say, you can go ahead and skip to the end and see that. But with that being said, this movie, like I said, is probably one of the best anime movies I've ever seen, just because of how impactful this arc was. Because not only was it a action filled and just visually orgasmic arc, but it also played on your emotions too. It made you feel the emotions of Rengoku. It shows you Rengoku's backstory and how he wanted to just be accepted by his father. You know, he's like, "Hey, Dad, I'm a Hashira." And his dad was like, "Yeah, I don't give a shit. That doesn't mean nothing to me." You know what I'm saying? And then on his like final breath, he saw his mother and he asked her, like, you know, "Did I fulfill my duties? Did I do a good job?" And his mother said, "You know, you made me proud." And that was the validity that he was seeking the entire time, you know, and becoming a Hashira. Like, yeah, he was a Hashira. He did it for his own reasons too. But it also was very much so to make his family proud as well, because his father was a Hashira. Obviously he wants to follow in his father's footsteps. So, my bad. I somehow stopped recording. I don't know what the fuck happened. But as I was saying, he really just wants to follow in his father's footsteps. So with all that being said, the fact that he was able to make his mother proud in the end, I think that was powerful and impactful. You know what I'm saying? And it definitely moved me too. Like I said, like this movie, I wasn't expecting to shed any tears on the second time, because like I said, I've read the manga, I've seen the movie already, so I was like, okay, I should be fine. Nope, it got me. I think it probably had something to do with, you know, obviously the alcohol too, and you know, obviously if you're drinking, you probably get a little bit more emotional and stuff like that. But yeah, it was just a very powerful movie. I definitely felt everything about it, you know, just from the comedic relief. That was really nice. The choreography, I know I say that a lot, but the choreography, it's fucking phenomenal, guys. Like, the only movie that has choreography as good as this, and I already know the Jujutsu Kaisen movie is gonna have crazy choreography, but the Broly movie, and we're talking in terms of action movies that are anime, Demon Slayer, the Broly movie, like the Broly movie really changed the dynamic for Dragon Ball as a series, because now they're showing you fights. Like, there was a very particular scene that stuck out to me. You were seeing from the perspective of Broly him hitting Goku through the fucking mountain. Like that, bro, like that shit completely changed it for me. I was like, all right, that's how Dragon Ball should have been done the whole time. Now obviously, you know, animation is I don't want to say easier, but it's advanced so much more, so you can do way more things than you could have back in the 90s and the 80s. So I get it. But yeah, like it, hands down, this is one of my favorite anime movies, as far as action is concerned. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously there's different categories of anime, there's different genre. You know what I'm saying? So if we're talking strictly action, this Demon Slayer movie has it on lock. Like, just like UFO showed out. They showed out. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They did their damn thing. They showed you guys, hey, this is what we're capable of. This is what we can do. This is the budget we have. And you can expect more with season 2. Best believe season 2 is going to be this and then some. So, and season 2, by the way, is probably my favorite arc out of the entire series. So, buckle your seatbelts. Season 2 is about to be fucking insane. Some things that stuck out to me in the movie, I definitely enjoyed a lot of stuff. The kids, like I said, I feel like the kids have definitely done that before as far as being on the train. Because I remember seeing that people were, you know, dying on the train, and that's why they enlisted the help of Rengoku and Tanjiro and company, because they wanted to say, okay, since these people are dying on this train from a demon, we need you guys to go out there and take care of this. So those kids that were on that train, they had to have done this before, because one of the little girls said, I've never seen a red orb or a red spirit before. You know what I'm saying? A spirit orb, whatever it's called. So that's telling me that, okay, you've done this before, because you haven't seen a red one before. So now you're telling me, yeah, I've done this before. You know, no big deal. I just, you know, pierced a couple spirit cores in my tenor. That's no big deal. But yeah, that's definitely stuck out to me. The comedic elements, like Inosuke's dream, that was fucking hilarious. Inosuke's dreams, Zenitsu's dream, when he pulled up on homeboy, he was like, what the fuck are you doing in my subconscious, bro? The only person that should be allowed here is me and Nezuko. That's it. So you got to get up out of here. We got to cut something out. You're the fat. We got to trim it. So he got rid of him. He got him out the paint. Like just all that stuff was beautiful. Tanjiro's background, that shit was sad. His dream was sad just because it's like he really does truly miss his family, and he was able to see them again one last time, albeit disingenuous because it wasn't really them. He was still able to see them, and that's kind of the closure that he needed, I think, because he never got to say bye to his family. You know, he left to go sell the coal, and then when he came back, his family was dead. So he never got to say anything to them. So being able to see them one last time, I know that meant a lot to him. Yeah, and honestly, like if we're being real, like if Rengoku was on this mission by himself, I feel like he would have failed. Maybe he wouldn't have failed in the sense that like I feel like he truly would have killed the demon, yeah. But I feel like some people would have died because Rengoku was captured in that sleep. You know what I'm saying? Like if it wasn't for Tanjiro and Inosuke, Rengoku wouldn't be able to do what he was able to do. So that's definitely a testament to Rengoku and not Rengoku, I'm sorry, to Inosuke and Tanjiro as far as their capabilities and what they can do as Demon Slayers. Like they really are truly valuable members of the Demon Slayer Corps. I believe that wholeheartedly. So just seeing all that transpire and just seeing what these guys are able to do, it's just magnificent, man. And I'm just super excited for the rest of Demon Slayer. I'm excited for you all to see it. If we're going like how they've been going with the 25 episodes, so the 2 core seasons, I believe that Demon Slayer will probably be 3 seasons, and that'll be it. I don't know how many of you read the manga. I'm not gonna give any manga spoilers, by the way. But the ending of the manga, some people weren't pleased with it, so I don't know if they're gonna take an anime only route, and kind of do it a little bit better, possibly. I know we all don't like hearing the anime original route because of Tokyo Ghoul and recently Promised Neverland. Obviously, we don't want to see anything labeled anime original unless you're talking like Wonder Egg Priority, which is fucking phenomenal, by the way, if you haven't seen it. But I can see them going a anime original ending for Demon Slayer, and if they do that, I think that will conclude the series and put it down as possibly one of the greatest of all time series. Just because, like I said, from the animation, the fights, the choreography, because the choreography is definitely going to be there. Like just from reading the manga alone, I already know they're going to do it justice, and it's just going to be visually, aesthetically pleasing, like just all the way through and through. The story is not even bad either, and the thing about Demon Slayer is I love the story because it's clear, concise. They have a concise objective, and they have to accomplish this one objective, which is to kill the demons. Obviously, that's the purpose of the Demon Slayer Corps, is to kill demons. If there's no demons, then they have no demons to slay. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like it's very concise and to the point as far as the objective of the anime and what needs to be accomplished. So I feel like they did a good job with the story as far as the author is concerned. But yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the manga if you guys have not checked it out. If you want to be surprised, then by all means, you know, season 2 is going to be a doozy. Season 3 is going to be even crazier. So make sure y'all buckle your seatbelts for that. That's all I got, y'all. I don't want to ramble. I don't want to go on too much. I got to go ahead and get this edited and put up. So I'm gonna wrap it up on that note. Like I said, once this video is done, I'll have the ending of the movie as far as the credits rolling. I'll have that playing in the end, so that way you all can see it and just kind of experience that. Because like I said, it's a beautiful roll credit scene. I definitely enjoyed it a lot. But yeah, that's all I got, y'all. This has been Shrimp Kage with Reanimated. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this Demon Slayer Mugen Train reaction. Thanks for sitting through it. If you've already seen it before and you know want to watch it with me, I appreciate you guys. And I can't thank you all enough for your patronage, because this is gonna be Patreon only. So thank you guys so much for that. And that is all I got, y'all. Much love. Thank you so much. And I will see you all in the next reaction. All right, y'all. Reanimated out. Appreciate it.